The pleasure of sex meaning. Factors such as the release of neurochemicals like oxytocin and dopamine and the sensation of connection conveyed via caressing, stroking, and snuggling contribute to sex's pleasurable effects. There is no universally accepted model of sexuality, and individuals find different things sexually stimulating. About 90% of young males report consuming pornography regularly. Men, in particular, are excited by visual images. Dominance play and analogical sexual activity are only two examples of the once abnormal activities that are now commonplace among modern couples. This study adds to the growing body of evidence that shows that sexual diversity is beneficial to health and strengthens relationships. So when a behavior is harmful to one or both partners or is obsessive, i.e., when it serves as the only source of arousal, do clinicians consider it problematic? The term sex addiction is sometimes used to imply a pathological preoccupation with sexual activity. However, research shows that this view is more closely linked to a person's moral or religious attitude than real sexual behavior.